This is Steve Liebenthal with the Idaho News 6 forecast.
What a pleasant day for the second day of the Memorial Day holiday weekend. Temperatures right in really the zone as far as I'm concerned. Low 70s. It's perfect weather in my mind with just a light breeze out of the northwest and plenty of sunshine. I'll talk more about high temperatures in just a minute. But first, those low temperatures did get a little bit chilly this morning. Not quite as cool as yesterday morning here in the Treasure Valley, but Mountain Home down to 40 degrees. It got below freezing in McCall at 30, and Stanley got all the way down to 24 degrees. That's because of the clear skies, but the clear skies also allowing that sun to heat the surface of the earth, and that's where the heat in the atmosphere comes from, and that's why temperatures are warming now. 71 right now in Boise, 75 in Ontario, 59 in McCall, 57 in Stanley, Haley making it into the 60s. And here's a look at the 24-hour temperature change. It is 6 degrees warmer in Boise than it was at this time yesterday, 10 degrees warmer in Stanley, and 13 degrees warmer in Haley and in Idaho Falls. Yesterday morning, Idaho Falls picked up 2.5 inches of snow. That was right in town. Ozone, Idaho, in the foothills to the east of Idaho Falls, picked up 8 inches of snow. And now the temperature's starting to warm there as that storm system moves off into Wyoming and Montana. Look at the next 10 days. Tomorrow we're expecting an afternoon high of 78 degrees. We have this chart kind of topped out because it's really more for early May than mid-May. And as you can see, those temperatures are going to continue to rise. By Thursday, we are in the 90s. By Friday and Saturday, the possibility of some Treasure Valley locations hitting 100 degrees. What a flip-flop that is from where we were last week. You see the high pressure off the coast of California, and really that is just going to slowly move in our direction over the next 4 to 5 days and likely center right over Idaho. And as it does, that warm air coming up out of the south will really heat things up for us. It's just amazing how quickly things can change. We do see a system coming into Seattle, Vancouver area. That may provide some showers for some mountain locations around the middle part of the week. But look at this Pacific Futurecast. You see the warm air streaming in there over southern Idaho. That is a look at Friday, and it gets even more intense on Saturday. And even into the early part of Sunday, that high pressure ridge peaks out then. And then temperatures will cool after next weekend, but not before some of the hottest temperatures that we have seen for this time of year. We might look at whether those are going to break some records. We'll talk more about that at 10 o'clock. For tomorrow, we'll call it partly cloudy, although I think there will be more sunshine than clouds. I let my computer do this for me, and I think that might have been a mistake. I'd expect more sunshine than that. There will be some clouds in the west central mountains, and temperatures warmer than today, low 70s at low elevations and afternoon highs, making it into the mid-60s after morning lows in the 30s once again. Mostly sunny and warmer for the Stanley area as well. You still get below freezing tomorrow morning. 64 is your afternoon high. Nice day in Fairfield. A bit breezy, though, with a high of 70. Magic Valley, mostly sunny skies and warmer, hitting the mid-70s tomorrow. And the first 3 of the 7-day forecast show 78 for tomorrow, 79 on Tuesday. There are your mid-80s on Wednesday, and that is the end of the 80s for 3 days. And the high likelihood, as I said, that some places could get up to 100 degrees. Ontario, one of the places that could do that, happens frequently. Up in Riggins, if you're thinking about going salmon fishing up there, you might see triple digits toward the end of the weekend next weekend. So, yeah, we are officially going from early spring to late spring in just a few days.
Sounds like summer temperatures, though, I gotta say.
Yeah. Definitely.
Almost. Thank you so much, Steve.